In some problems, the horizontal line of sight is used as a reference line. The angle measured above that line of sight is called the angle of elevation, and if we measure the angle below the line of sight, it's called the angle of depression. Students should notice that the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation because they are alternate interior angle. We need to solve our first angle of elevation problem. The height of the tree is h. They give us the angle of elevation 64.3 and the distance from the tree to that angle of elevation is 115. So we're going to use tangent to find the height of the tree without measuring it. Tangent 64.3 is equal to h divided by 115. When we cross multiply, we get 115 times tangent 64.3 degrees is equal to the height of the tree, h. Therefore, h is approximately, using our calculator, 115 times tangent 64.3, second function up 1 for degree, close parenthesis, 238.95, so it's approximately 239 feet. For the second example, we need to find the height of the wall, and the function that we're going to use is the sine function. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 57 degrees is equal to x, which is the height of the wall, over 24 feet. When we cross multiply, 24 feet times sine 57 is equal to x. Therefore, x is approximately, using the calculator, 24 times sine 57 degrees, close parenthesis, 20.12, which is approximately 20. So the vertical distance from the top of the ladder to the ground is 20 feet. If the sun is 20 degrees above the horizon, find the length of a shadow cast by a building that is 600 feet tall. The shadow is x, and we have the opposite and the adjacent side. We're going to use tangent. Tangent 20 is equal to 600 divided by x. X times tangent 20, x times tangent 20 degrees will be equal to 600 feet. And x is equal to, x is equal to 600 feet divided by tangent 20 degrees. So x is approximately 600 divided by 20 degrees. Our answer is 1648.48. So it's 1648 approximately. 1648 feet. Now the angle of depression from the lighthouse is 41, and we know that the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. And the height, well, the height is 245. Now they want the line of sight, which is the hypotenuse. So sine 41 is equal to 245 divided by x, 245 over x. So x sine 41 is equal to 245, and x is equal to 245 feet divided by sine 41 degrees. That's right. So x is approximately 373.44. So it's 373 approximately feet. We need to find the height of the plane after it has traveled a horizontal distance of 990 feet. The angle of elevation is 12, so basically we want the opposite side, so we're going to use tangent. Tangent 12 degrees is equal to x over 990. When we cross multiply, we get 990 times tangent 12 degrees is equal to x. So x is approximately 990 times tangent 12 degrees. We get 210.43. So it's approximately 210 feet. The height of the plane is approximately 210 feet. We're looking for the horizontal distance from the kite to Marcos. The height between the kite and Marcos will be the total height, which is 168 feet minus 5. So that total height is 163 feet. And the horizontal distance from the kite to Marcos will be found by using the tangent ratio. Tangent 55 degrees is equal to 163, which is the opposite side, divided by x, which is the adjacent side that we're looking for. So when we cross multiply, x times tangent 55 degrees is equal to 163, and x is equal to 163 feet divided by 10 tangent 55 degrees. So x is approximately 114.13. So x is approximately 114 feet.